You know, it's not just people at the Roundtree Manor apartments struggling to get repairs done to their homes. As News Channel 5's Araceli Crescencio tells us, it is a common issue tenants face every day. But experts say knowing your rights can help.
They're coming in from under my cabinets.
What do you do when you're faced with a situation like this?
Nobody's coming out to do anything about it. And I just feel like, we're living here, we're having to pay rent, but nothing's getting fixed, nothing's getting done.
It's a scenario tenants experience all too often.
Unfortunately, it's very common. A lot of tenants don't know about their rights.
Elizabeth Lyserson with the Legal Aid Society of Middle Tennessee and the Cumberland says repair issues with landlords often get out of hand when people don't know what to do. Her number one piece of advice is to continue paying rent on time, regardless of repair issues.
In Tennessee, you do not have the right to withhold rent. Unfortunately, what can happen is if you withhold rent, in your landlord's mind, you are behind on rent, and they can sue you, or they can file an eviction lawsuit. So you can end up being evicted and with the problem still not fixed.
She says in general, individual cases vary, but there are universal rights every tenant has. She recommends people start by requesting repairs in writing.
Try to get a timeline for when they're going to repair it. So you know too, if they're going to need to come into your apartment, when will they be coming?
If things still don't get fixed, Lyserson says the next step is going to codes.
You can go to the Hub Nashville website and there is a link you can click to file a complaint as a tenant about your landlord. You can keep your name confidential. You don't have to identify yourself, although, fair warning, if it's in Unit 103, your landlord is probably going to guess that whoever was in Unit 103 is the one who complained.
A common misconception is that people who live in subsidized housing have fewer rights, but that isn't the case.
When it comes to repairs, tenants in public and subsidized housing or folks with vouchers, in a way, actually have more options because there are more laws that govern and more protections for you. There are also more government agencies that are have the responsibility to oversee those things.
Lyserson says people living in subsidized housing can still talk to codes. People with vouchers also can ask for an inspection. She says the last option all tenants have is the power to sue their landlord. In Nashville, Araceli Crescencio, News Channel 5.
Some great information. Legal Aid Society says if you have questions or need help, call their number. It is on your screen. We have that number and even more resources on our website as well.